Pros of having a cool car that's low with a really sick rear body kit. Looks cool. Flex for Instagram. Cons. It's hard to get around places. It's hard to work on the car. In order to get my side skirts off, I had to invest in this awesome Big Mama Jamma tool. Are you guys ready for this? In order for me to do anything with this car, I have to take the side skirts off. And if you can't see, there's a little boy right there that's very hard to reach. I've got to stick it in there, and now Daddy will get it out. Hello and welcome to Evan. That's my new intro. You guys don't like it, you can take it up with nobody. Welcome to a day in my life. Today's gonna be pretty exciting. I'm going to be driving the beautiful R33 for the first time. I haven't actually driven it yet. I need to address some fitment issues, a couple little teeny tiny things here and there before we drive on the street. And one of the major key components of today is getting some new tires onto the car. I needed some really good daily tires for this thing to drive around because I'm probably going to be driving it just as much as the R35. I'm super excited to announce that Goodyear is the sponsor for today's video. Today we've got the new Goodyear Eagle Exhilarates, and I'm stoked to have these on the car. These are going to be amazing daily tires, and I'll be able to dial in some fitment, I think, a little bit. And for when the car's a little more powerful, these 275s in the back are gonna be wide enough to give me a little bit of grip. Look at these, 275, 35. I ended up going with 225 in the front because I think that'll end up fitting a little bit better. But with the sidewall on this one, it'll still be pretty meaty, and I think it's just gonna look really, really good. So a couple really cool things about these tires is you're gonna get a lot of all-season benefits with a lot of grip as well. So these tires are gonna be good in rain or shine. I can actually attest to this. I have used Goodyear on my dailies before, and I tell you what, my life has been saved in rainstorms because of really good grip. It's a simple, effective tread design. It's got an easy to read built-in wear gauge, which is nice. It does have a pretty cool sidewall design. Something really cool though is the way that this juts out like this. This is actually gonna protect my wheel from like curb rashing. Now, I consider myself a pro low car driver, okay? But still, there's a lot of times where you just can't tell where the curb might be, and this is going to help protect your wheels. So that's something really cool about these tires as well. They use something they call active strength technology. It gives you a lightweight tire, but with really confident handling on the road. The grip is gonna be nice. Look at this, dude. Look at this tire, brother. It's so fat. With tires like this, you can stay pretty confident behind the wheel that not only are you going to be able to corner and get traction, but you're also going to be able to brake safely and stuff like that. So these are going to be awesome. Today we're going to be installing these Goodyear Eagle Exhilarates onto my 1993 R33 front clip swapped GTR front clip swap, but it's just R33 GTS 25T 4-door, baby. I need to get the car moved towards the center of the garage. We need to get the skirts off. It's the worst that I have to do that. Let's get these skirts off. How lame and boring this looks. Yikes. All right. All right, so here's the car. Here's tires. right, they're on. So even with a slight stretch, you can still see that this has a guard that comes out. Make sure you don't curb your wheel. We got a pretty meaty setup back here. It looks real good. I'm ready to go test drive this sucker. And I haven't driven this car in such a long time, and it is so awesome. It feels really slow now though. Tires are great, the noise is super minimal, and obviously I have 275s on the back, so traction's not really gonna be a problem. I love it. It's been so long, man. I miss this car. It's too bad it's gotta go under the knife again very soon, but man, this is like, this girl's a head turner for sure, dude. So many people stare at this thing while driving it. Almost went to the wrong side. Choosing tires is one of the most important parts of your build. It's one of the most crucial things to safety in a car. You guys are looking for a good all season that's great in rain and shine. You guys want some fat boys. They have 275s. Meat. That is awesome. We got here meaty boy. You R33. It looks good, it drives good, and now it's gonna grip good too. Under this beautiful carbon fiber hood, we're gonna get started on that pretty soon. We gotta wait for this freaking Honda stuff to pan out first. Ethan's almost done with the D16. We can start working on this guy, but she's gonna have even better spoolie turbo noises than you guys can ever imagine. Actually, you guys can probably imagine it pretty well. It's gonna sound really good. I wanna give you guys my daily advice. Obviously, I might not look too much different or different at all by any means, but I wanna talk to you guys about something I did. It's not called anything, it's not called like the 21-day challenge or anything, but I have gotten into a bad habit of waking up, working, trying to make money, and then go to bed or like do my extracurricular activities, and that has made me super out of shape. And there's a lot of other factors that I can't really talk about on video that have made me gain weight, but I want you guys to know, for a while I thought it was helpless, and I also thought it was pointless. One day I woke up and I told myself, if I don't like the habits I currently have, I'm one of the most like persistent, like devoted people ever. Why can I not just do it? Like, why can't I just go out and do it? So I gave myself a challenge. I gave myself a 21-day challenge. This is not like I'm not following a rule or anything here. I just decided 21 days, 3 weeks, every single day to prove to myself that I still care about my health, my body. I'm going to do some form of exercise, whether it's running or whether it's going upstairs and doing push-ups. For 21 days in a row, I successfully have done it. And honestly, for a lot of you guys, it might not mean too much. When you're out of the habit of doing something, sometimes it can be really hard to push yourself. There's so many days where I thought to myself, I wish I didn't have to work out today, but I pushed myself every single day to do something just to break the bad habits I didn't like. Now, I'm telling you this because a lot of us out there either have a habit we want to create or we want to destroy. And in order to do that, you have to be persistent, you have to be consistent, and you have to believe that you can do it. Honestly, when I made that list of 21 boxes, there's a part of me that thought that I would fail. There's a part of me that thought that I would One day I'd slip up. One day I wouldn't be able to do it. And I'm telling you what, I'm so glad I did it. Even if I never get back into super good shape like I used to be, that was an incredible experience for me. If you guys have something going on in your life that you want to change, I encourage you to just do it. At least put your maximum effort into trying, because you always distract me. I don't know why. It's because you're too pretty. I want you to know that you can do it. It's usually not easy, but you can do it. I want to encourage you guys today to do that thing. Break that habit. Create that habit. Whatever it is you want to do it. Because you can. If I can do it, you can too. Thanks again to Goodyear for sponsoring this video. If you guys want any more info on these tires, I encourage you guys to go look into them a little more. It was so awesome to drive this car again, and I can't wait for it to have a little bit more power. Peace out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later on another day of Evan. Hey, so guess what? I got 2 videos in front of your face that you need to watch. Check it out. That's all. God, that was good.